got a point for that win, too.
Oh, what happened? Who's
Demon just whooped up in somebody's ass.
Okay, remind me.
Come on, man.
Put a towel on that motherfucker.
Put a towel on that bitch. He only 250.
Man, put a towel on that bitch.
Put a towel on that bitch.
You gonna get him.
Do that for us, man. You get in that thing.
We got the Mooch versus. We got the Mooch versus Jigsaw.
Hey Google, how did you really file smell? Siri. The bitch all year long. I can't wait.
Yo, who y'all like?
Not you.
Oh,
Fuck on.
so
So you don't like Mucho?
nah.
Big Jordan.
Kiefer just got the Ray locked in. No.
Fuck you
Kiefer got Kiefer got the Ray locked in. The Civic and the damn Mazda truck.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on.
Put
That bitch on
the
top
camera
too.
on.
Look,
Put the
and
camera on.
that big got weight
Put it on camera,
hey,
nigga.
and it got weight reduction. Look at that dents. Weight reduction. Aerodynamics. Yeah.
Fuck y'all. Y'all funny as fuck.
Hey, check. Oh damn.
What?
Wait. Who we supposed to vote on?
Who y'all like, the Hellcat or the Z01 Camaro?
Yes. Hellcat.
Okay, cool. Let me go tell my dog that y'all with the Hellcat.
Where's the Z01?
It's over here.
Where the food at?
Over there. At the tent.
What's the name?
The Hellcat or the Z01. Jigsaw or Dopeboy?
Jigsaw. Dopeboy. Why is his name Jigsaw?
Because it's white and red.
Is
I
it
don't know. Mucho, why is it? Oh, he arguing. Hold on. Why he ain't arguing about me?
And it was red, so.
Just a good conversation for another time.
with Jigsaw.
You with Jigsaw? That's supposed to be with Georgia.
No,
Georgia over here.
I didn't vote yet.
Oh, okay, cool. Who you with?
I don't know who I'm with. Okay, I think I'm with Dopeboy.
Okay, cool.
Let me see.
Well, let me see.
I'm with the Hellcat.
You with the Hellcat? Okay, cool. Y'all, these are my friends, y'all.
I'm up here. Jigsaw.
Okay, cool.
You where? What y'all say?
What y'all with? Y'all just standing there and shit.
I think the Dopeboy sign is like fire. Not like it's like crackle. Wait, who the?
Now they checking Dopeboy. We got Toretto outside. What's up, my boy? Little bear. You know it's real when Mucho put a speaker out there. Put 12 out there. You know what I'm saying? What'd you say, Mucho? Talk to me.
They said we blocked in, man.
We had a vet in the
this car here. Yeah.
See the lights.
Yeah, I believe it.
You gonna turn the lights on for them when you race?
I gotta turn it on red for Sean.
Fuck Jigsaw.
Turn it on red for.
They said that's your favorite color, ain't it? I gotta accommodate you.
Red light.
That's the only accommodation you get. Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. That's where the all that shit go through. I got you.
I ain't want to break this.
Turn your eyes, man. Come fast.
That go for you. Finna see the switches right there. That go for the switches.
Stock Hellcat versus Stock Z01. Who the fuck do y'all like? Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to Eastside Films. Get your shirts. DM me for your shirts. You know what I'm saying? Did you see it from cheese? That's what I'm saying. Here. Where the cheese?
Hell nah, I'm here.
Where's the cheese? Where's the cheese?
Extra modest right there.
Get you a deal.
Tell him back.
We got Kiefer with the Stella.
He just finished that.
That was fast. Kiefer just got here.
Yeah.
One bottle down.
5
Got
minutes.
one more to
5
go.
minutes.
This is sad. This is so sad.
We're gonna see how he acts.
Yeah, he finna make.
I'm about to say all freaky and shit.
See me when you come back.
It already ain't working. You check it out.
I wasn't hear that boy pulling up beating with them 212.
Yeah. 12 ain't in no more.
Yes, he did. Oh, he did. What side you on, bro?
Talk to him, Chaz. Tell him it's Georgia Power.
He did. Who pulled that beat?
What's up, my dog?
That little Malibu ain't beat.
Pay a price for this game and shit. Shit, wanna remain nameless. Tryna preach the ground famous. Knowing damn well the streets painless. Gotta take your time, gang. You don't wanna feel
That boy CJ, man.
this gon' drive you insane.
Hold on. Let me go on my steps. 2 burnouts, 1 dry hop. You cross in front, you're lost. You cross behind, you good. I'm not paying nobody until I see finish line video. That means you need to have somebody down there. You need to have somebody down there. Now,
On each side of the road.
yeah, on each side, yeah, on both sides. It's the fire hydrant. I'll explain to you where it's at. Now, the thing is, because y'all don't care, he get about this second. He has 5 seconds to let me know that he's ready. If he don't let me know that he's ready in 5 seconds, I'm banging the light regardless. So you want to flip?
Everybody say yeah.
So you call.
No, it ain't.
I like whatever Trey flip for.
I can train goddamn Mustang.
All right, last. So look, check this out. So because he get bought in last, you have 5 seconds to let me know that you're ready. If you ain't ready in 5 seconds, I'm banging the light. All right? Cool. If your front tire crack, I don't care about the back. Your front tire rotates, move, anything. After you flash your lights, it's a jump. The whole pot gone. Now, if you got down, move before you hit your headlights to let me know you're ready, it's a restart. Okay? All right.
Hey, y'all can start on
Come on.
Hey, go ahead, search y'all first. No, y'all search y'all first. But go ahead, bro. You already got y'all. Come on.
Look at your car.
Well, so you want to let them Here you go, play.
This car got plastic motherfucking windows, no mirror. This is a Ricch car. Look at Ricch car.
God damn, what the hell you hitting them motherfuckers? God damn. We roll, look at this shit, man. This shit goes on. Yup, that's it. That's it.
I get the front in your battle.
No, come on, not.
I'm in the front of the battle. Oh, yeah. See how I look in the battle.
This man Dre funny. This man Dre funny as fuck, bro.
We good.
Oh no, the door is plastic too, y'all.
Man, look.
I'm gonna have to go for it. Man, we don't care about the light ass car, man. This is gonna get popped. Yeah, I know. Hey, and them, look at them doors. Hey.
That motherfucker wiggling. Let me see you wiggle too. Yeah.
Cut all the shit. Them folks took every screw out there.
Hey, how much weight the bolts they got?
I was just thinking the same thing.
Hey, come on, them boys got the bolts out there.
This is Roddy versus Rubi, y'all. Roddy Ricch versus Rubi.
Hey,
Well, this ain't a race car, good God almighty.
Look at the
I'm
window.
talking about bucket of boat. That big got rust.
Would you drive
hey,
this?
Fuck no.
hey. I had a stick for their ass.
Alright, let's go back here. Trey shit already on the web. Big old Rubi, y'all. Big old Rubi. Y'all see what's going on. Oh, of course. Come on now. Oh, y'all think y'all finna wax on? Man, shit. Y'all gotta show us. Y'all gotta show us. Y'all is a bear though. Y'all is a bear. Y'all, I fucked up. I did not record my boy race, but Damon just won a race First win of the year, how does it feel? And it was a birthday win, too.
Feels amazing. Feels amazing. It feels amazing.
Oh, who y'all like, man?
Ruby Rose is front. Bro, get that fucking camera out of face, bro. Fuck out the face.
I'm saying, who you like, huh?
Man, whatever I do like, I don't like this coke car. I just bullshit. Fat.
That's just good shit, man.
You know it's serious when Steven come to the street, y'all. It's serious.
That's just good shit, man.
We got almost the whole street money outside. Oh,
yeah.
my God. We got a little tiny Ricch outside.
Tuna over there, too.
Ooh, I know the tuna over there. Yeah, y'all see the tuna? He got on them tuna shoes, y'all. Ooh, woo.
Boy, boy, that's the first fast car you ever been in, boy. Paulo slow as shit.
He always want to barrel.
I'm getting tired of all this freaky shit, man. We ain't do none of this shit. Goddamn, fucking. Let me turn the blank on.
If you want a 6-gen, just say that.
Y'all know all them shit.
Hey, bro, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Get out the car, bro. You doing too much.
Why your horn don't work?
We don't have no horn.
Why don't even have no horn?
I don't have no wires for the horn, nigga. Fuck, I got a horn for it.
The bitch ain't got no horn at all.
What the fuck I'm doing with a horn? Nigga, I'm taking on the Sunday drive.
Baby, you act like this.
I ain't gonna lie.
Just switch it on.
No, switch it on so I can press the horn so not.
It's not gonna work. We don't have no horn.
So just
the horn is gone. We ain't doing all that. You can get out.
Man, Dave, you acting like Justin.
Y'all can't switch the car on? No.
Hell no, bro. We ain't turn y'all shit on, bro.
I give a fuck what y'all did though.
Oh, bro, come on, man. Ain't no nice shit on it, bro. Let go.
Ain't no money left. Oh, shit. We ain't got that money.
Come on, bro.
They ain't pressing every bell and whistle in this motherfucker.
And turn cruise control on too. I get it.
You gotta come in here.
Alright, then get the fuck on.
I don't like that horn situation.
We don't have a horn.
There's no horn on the car.
Okay, you switch the car on. I ain't want you to crank it up. Just switch it on. Hold the button, man. Take your foot off the brake.
Crank it up. Hit the horn.
Hold the brake till it turn. Hold the button till it turn green. Press the wire in this bitch so I can show him it ain't plugged up.
It ain't even in there.
I know where's the wire for it so I can show him it ain't plugged up.
It ain't in there.
Hey, press the horn right quick. There you go.
God damn. Son, where did you find this?
Doing the same shit. How you know you scared? How you know when you scared? We ain't even do all that shit.
I ain't did that. No, I ain't gonna lie, bro. You doing a lot, bro.
God damn.
Alright, that's it, bro.
It take more to search the motherfucker than the race hell.
Right, y'all ain't even
Hey, you
got
went
no
on the
horn.
rain,
That
bro. Let
bag
go,
hanging out that bitch. I just thought about it. Yeah, y'all ain't even got no fucking horn. Y'all crying about a horn?
You do got a horn. I
Y'all
bet I
ain't got no
should
airbag hanging out that
It blow,
bitch.
though.
That shit don't blow. The airbag blew.
better horn.
The airbag blew.
Man, T, just pull that bitch around, eh?
They get fucking busy, bro.
Hey, Chaz, tell him to turn the AC off.
Hey, he more than like that.
They only doing one.
It's already covered.
I can't wait to catch you.
Nah.
Who got the video? Keep up.
Bitch, move!
Hey, boy! You went too early, boy! Hey, you went too early, boy! You got the fuck out that way. He didn't jump. Hey, he didn't jump. I got the video. He didn't jump. Look at the light, keep him. No, we got the video right here. Keep him. Light on. Light on. Light on. Light on the motherfucking ass, nigga. That's right on the light. What you drunk? Exactly.
You know. What you tell me? Keep it. That tire ain't
Let him know, keep it. Bring the truck ass in here. That darn Julio got to play the beat. Come on, keep it, man. Come on.
No, keep it. Tire ain't cracked. What you tell me? Tire ain't cracked. Keep it. Tell him. The light came on. Y'all move. Y'all going on. Y'all see that shit. You can't see shit. The tire is the whole continent full. Exactly. You see that shit? You see that shit, my nigga? Who gon' fold on the pressure, nigga? Who gon' fold on the pressure, nigga? Y'all niggas drunk. Take that Don Julio back to Carolina, nigga. Drunk ass nigga. Look at that shit. Take your drunk ass back to South Carolina, nigga. Y'all know what the fuck going on in this beat. See that shit, nigga? Y'all ain't crack, nigga. Y'all know what's going on. This Atlanta shit, nigga. Y'all ain't motherfucking crack. Hey, man. Y'all know what the fuck going on, nigga. This Atlanta business, nigga. Y'all know what the fuck going on in this beach, nigga. Yeah. Y'all see it, nigga. Y'all see it. The light on. The light is on. Big fucking Atlanta, nigga. Big fucking Atlanta. Fuck the Carolina, nigga. What y'all want? What y'all want, nigga? Put that fucking headline on y'all motherfucker. Take y'all drunk ass back home, nigga. Where my fucking money at, nigga? Where the fuck my fucking money at, nigga? Where the fuck my money at, nigga? Y'all see that shit? You fucking tire ain't crying, nigga. The whole crowd looking for the light. And then the car move. Yeah, watch it. This y'all video. This y'all fucking video, nigga. And you moving. Nigga, look at the fucking video, nigga. Where the fuck my money at? 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 Where the fuck my motherfucking money at? Nigga, moving, nigga. Look, he moving. Watch it. You need a magnifying glass, my nigga? Huh? He moving that shit. Wait! Listen what I'm telling you. Bro, he know that stuff, bro. Look at the video. Bro, no, bro. Look, I know what I'm looking at. Look, it's the GoPro. He moving. I'm telling you, man. That was a clean jump, though. You can see it. Everybody seen that. He moving. Everybody seen that. Thank you. Thank you. The world can see it. Fuck that slow down. The world can see it. The light on. The light is on. The light is on. That's what I'm trying to tell you. He's what you say to if the tire don't crack, it ain't no fucking jump. The brake light is still on. Look.
riding the brake.
Okay, show me that.
He been riding the brake the whole time.
Let me hold it.
I think I have a video at the time.
What on day?
What the time video is?
He didn't move in.
Look at this.
What? I can't fucking wait. Let's do it. Let's fucking do it.
Hey, Keith.
Okay, that's what I said. I gotta have it.
I'm riding the brake.
Wait.
I'm gonna do that.
He riding the brake. The whole round turned before the light came on. Hey, listen. Hey, get another one of bitch. I got it. He jumped. Sure. He jumped. Turn on crack. It ain't no fucking jump. That's your rules, people. He's rolling on the brake. He riding the brake. That's why he riding the brake. The tire cracked. Look at the rim. Look at the rim. The brake light is still on in the brake. You're riding the brake. Man, keep it call that shit 1,000, bro. Exactly, bro. They right there. Look at all the fucking videos, bro. I can slow it down even more. You said the other nigga jumped, it was off the back tire. We never went off no front tire. That's your rules, Keeper. Keeper, you said if the back tire cracked, it's a jump, Keeper. Keeper. No, I'm dead ass. I'm dead ass. I've never gone by that. Fine, but look, the motherfucking tire didn't crack. Fuck Georgia. Fuck Atlanta. Say that shit now. No, bro. The car is moving when the light is on. I don't want to hear that. The car is moving when the light is on. It's not moving. It's not moving. The tire is moving.
The light and the tire is moving at the same fucking time, bro.
Keep ain't no way you just.
He got glasses on. He said he see the same shit. The man glasses $1,500 keeper. The man got glasses on.
Out of the 4 videos, 3 of them say I don't jump. You show me one. What about the other videos that my shit don't move?
Look, everything was in your favor until I just saw this. Watch it. Look.
I'm watching and I don't see it. I'm watching, I don't see it. I don't
Look, the light's on.
No, I don't see it.
The light's on. That shit cut.
Where the car going?
Keep look, the light is on.
The light is on.
The light is on. Keep moving.
The light is on. It's not fucking moving. It's not moving, bro. That is not the time. Keep how many times have we fucking done this shit, bro? And you ain't never made that call like that, Keep.
And you turn it, so you jump. That's what it is.
This shit.
Now run it back. Run it back.
Now run it back for double. That wasn't even no fucking money. That wasn't no fucking money. It's right there. Cut that bitch. I'll leave. Run it back. I feel like you got to go deep. Hey!
Hey, yo.
They got the boo boo face. They got the boo boo face. They got the boo boo face.
Hey, Sam, come here.
Damn, man.
Hey, scary motherfucker. That's scary motherfucker. He's so scary.
Hey,